Dear students, hope all of you are doing fine. In this pandemic situation, almost all polytechnics, engineering colleges, universities are going online to teach their students. So we are also uh, going online. You may use Rathod Sir online class.genomeo.com, this website, to use for online class. Let us see step by step procedure how to enroll. So when you enter this URL, at the rightmost corner you find that there is a login. So click on login into to create account. So you have to create account first. Then such window pop-ups. It is your first time, so create new account. So click here. Then when this window pop up, at that time you have to enter your username at your own, enter the password what you like, enter proper email so that ID is confirmed, so that so you have to enter again first name, surname, city, country, and then create my new account. This button you have to click. Fourth step, suppose this is the email ID what you entered, and then continue. Go into the email ID, check the email came from Professor Rajendra Rathod, and there is a link. You have to confirm your own account to create the account in genomeo.com. Now in this website, student1, the name of the account is student1, has been confirmed. That is confirmed by you only through the email. Now you have to again follow the same process to log in. After login, you get the name student1, so you are logged in. Now here three lines are horizontal lines are shown. Click on that, you get site home. You have to create you have to use site home. So click here on site home. You find available courses. Right now we have only one available course for the site, either advanced computer network or operating system. So two separate sites we have created, advanced computer network and operating system. So click on available courses. As soon as you enter into the online courses, you get the short form of that advanced computer network online. Now here you may find messages to student. So in messages to student, some announcements are there, message from teacher. So what you have to do here, click on announcement, click on message from teacher, and update your profile. You cannot update your profile until you read the message. You cannot enter or you cannot see the course outcome until you update your profile. In the same way, you may go for the different courses. So for example here, CH1 chapter 1 of ACN, that is network layer protocol. So learning objectives, you have to read that learning objectives and then go for the next point. You may find participants. So how many participants are enrolled? So there is no need for me to take the attendance. So this is nothing but attendance. So two students are enrolled in this class. So we have to given some particular time period. Suppose for example 11 AM to 12 p.m. So in this 1 hour class, the attendance will be taken. So 2 students are already enrolled here, and then you get the various video lectures, notes, quiz. So after every video lecture, you have to solve some questions in the form of quizzes. Then you can take the notes. You have to submit the assignments in the particular time period only. If any doubt, you may drop message in the common group, that our WhatsApp group, if any doubt. So in this way, we will conduct the lecture for these 2 subjects, operating system and advanced computer network, and for one batch CPP, capstone project planning. So we'll see that